Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to check if your Windows 11 computer has DDR3 or DDR4 RAM. I will show you the easiest and the best way to check which type of RAM you have. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser. Currently, I am using my Microsoft browser, so I will open it. After opening your browser, you have to search for CPU-Z. After getting search results, you have to open the first website, which is cpuid.com. Once you open it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. You just need to click on the zip English file. If you find any ad on this website, just close it. After that, just click on the Download Now button. As you can see, our zip file has started downloading. And now it is done. You just have to open the file location where it is downloaded. Now, I'm not going to extract it, so I will just open it. After opening it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Now you just need to click on the CPU-Z 64-bit exe file. As you can see, the installing process has been started. Once it is finished, a small window like this will appear in front of you. Here you will get too much information about your computer, like your CPU, motherboard, RAM, graphics card, and many more. Here you just need to click on the Memory tab. Here, as you can see, my RAM type is DDR4. Also, it is showing its size, which is 16 gigabytes. And down below, it is showing more information about your RAM, which is installed in your Windows 11 operating system. Now, if I click on Graphics tab, as you can see, that my computer has an RX 580 graphic card installed, which is showing here. So guys, this is how you can easily check your computer's RAM, whether it is DDR3 or DDR4. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.